The easiest way to use the app is to launch the built-in games. I'll show you how to do this. There are 4 of them. Let's walk through them one by one. Bubble Escape. You are a soap bubble and must fly through a dungeon, collecting keys to escape. Do not touch anything and do not be touched, otherwise you will burst. If you don't have a gamepad or joystick connected, you'll see the direction indicator and fire button on the screen. Use it as a joystick, otherwise, use your gamepad or the connected joystick. Note that you are accelerating in the direction in which you move the joystick. Practice a little on the first screen, it is harmless. I'm so bad. When you've had enough, press the back button on your device, or make the appropriate gesture, then you can return to the home screen. Formula 1 Simulator. Move the joystick in one of the 8 possible directions to select the racetrack, then press the fire button. Monza is on the upper right. Acceleration is automatic, press the fire button to switch between first and second gear. Move joystick right and left to steer. To brake, move joystick down. After a crash, you can continue, but you have to accelerate again. Pay attention to the time remaining for the lap. Monty on the Run. Just press the fire button on the home screen. Move the joystick to the right and left to walk and up or down to climb. With the fire button you can jump. Collect coins and items and avoid the enemies. After you get over a dangerous spot, you can take a snapshot and restart later from there. Pac-Mania. Press the joystick up and down to select the difficulty level, and start with the fire button. Let's start with the easiest level. Everyone knows Pac-Man, but now you can jump over the ghosts with the fire button. Use the time machine to take a different path. Thanks for watching. Check out the other tutorials. I hope you'll have a lot of fun with 8-bit wonders.